Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Smart Wallet and Me, where financial wisdom matters. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 penny stocks that I think will do well. So far in January 2021, penny stocks have been quite good to investors. While it does depend on the industry, large news events can spark price movement across all areas of the stock market. These are some of the most frequent catalysts that traders react to. Not only do news events inform the market, but they can also leave certain things open to interpretation. In that case, we tend to see more speculation build. This can lead to higher levels of volatility, which is quite common in the stock market, especially when it comes to penny stocks. Whenever you trade penny stocks, make sure you trade with caution because they are penny stocks. They have high risk, high reward. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, the first penny stock that I'm going to be talking about is called Biolase. It is a penny stock that penny stocks has been talking about for quite some time. Shares of BIOL stock have rocketed much higher in several recent trading sessions. This includes an almost 60% gain as of Tuesday, January 12th. In the past month, shares have risen by over 210%. So guys, the company produces a large range of laser products that can be used across the dental industry. With dental operations back to around 80% of pre-COVID levels, Biolase has started seeing more demand from its customers. The company has a very large market that it supplies. Its lasers can be used in anything from cosmetic to intensive surgery procedures. Because of this, it has earned the title as the global leader in dental lasers. On Tuesday, January 12th, big news came out stating that Biolase has entered into an agreement with DSO, Dental Care Alliance. For those who don't know, the Dental Care Alliance, or DCA, is one of the largest organizations for supporting dentists in the US. It has as many as 330 dental practices in its organization and works across 20 states in the country. The goal of this agreement is to expand the use of dental lasers throughout DCA's roster. Dr. Don Gallo, Chief Clinical Officer for DCA, states that Biolase's Epic X and Epic Hygiene lasers are the standard of care in the dental industry. We believe the adoption of this leading technology will provide a new standard of care for our hygiene appointments while ensuring a safer environment. If we take a look at the stock price over here, we can see that it was consolidating all pretty much late last year. From October on, it was around 29 cents, and then around December 24th, it went up to 38 cents, all the way up to 56 cents in December 29, and then it took a little pullback, and then it went back up again, consolidating to about 51 cents. And then just around January 11, January 12th, it peaked up and went all the way up to around 91 cents, going all the way even above $1. And then now people took some profits off the table, and it came back down to 83 cents where we are right now. And the RSI strength right now is at 66, and the money flow is still showing that this thing is overbought. So it could be pulling down a little bit more. The stochastics also has that negative curve going down. According to tip ranks, there's a 1 buy rating of moderate buy, and the price target is about $1. And according to the different investors, you can see here that these investors have increased their position as of yesterday and 2 days ago, and the stock was trading at around 92 cents, $1.26 when they opened up their new positions. So it seems like these analysts are very bullish on this stock, while they have opened up these new positions higher than where we are right now, because the stock took a negative turn today. So maybe it will go back up once things start to look better for the stock market. Okay guys, my next penny stock is Zosano Pharma Corp, with the ticker symbol ZSAN. Within the biotech and biopharmaceutical industry, there are plenty of unique markets. This includes medicines associated with treating migraines and similar ailments. Zosano Pharma Corp is currently working on a wide range of therapeutics that can help support those suffering from migraines. This includes its most popular product, known as Cutiripta. I'm not even going to be able to pronounce that. This substance is a formula comprised of, I'm not going to pronounce that either, that is showing efficacy in treating mild to severe migraines. Recently, the company has been working on resubmitting this medicine to the FDA for approval after an unsuccessful previous submission. This is quite common in the biotech industry, as FDA regulations can be exceedingly difficult. Stephen Lowe, CEO of Zosano, states that we have been working diligently to prepare the meeting package required at the time a Type A meeting request is submitted to the FDA. We are sharply focused on the resubmission of the NDA for this medicine and have been preparing strategies to address the comments received. While it may take some time before this medicine hits the shelves, milestones like these are important for investors to consider. Currently, Zosano is working to book a Type A meeting with the FDA to help gain insight into how it can get approval for this medicine. In the meantime, investors could view Zsan as a penny stock to watch. And we can take a look here at the stock price. It was trading at around 64 cents all throughout late last year. And then it took a big jump like around January 4th, January 5th. It went up to $1.07. And then people took some profits off the table. And then it dropped back down to around 76 cents. And then it has been going up, trading above the 50-day and 200-day moving averages. The RSI strength is at 50, and the MACD is at around 0.04. And the stochastics is showing that this thing is currently being oversold. So it could see a turnaround and going back up again from here. So according to TipRanks, they have a moderate buy rating with an average price rating target of $1.75. And it can go all the way up to around $2 as the high. Okay guys, my third penny stock is AcceleRx Pharmaceuticals with the ticker symbol ACRX. And this analyst, Ladenburg Thalmann, is putting a buy rating at $8 right now. Since last March, ACRX stock is up overall and just reached new 52-week highs. But this move hasn't come without its share of volatility. After reaching April highs of $1.59, the penny stock whipsawed between lows of around $1 and highs of $2.13 during the rest of the year. This volatility was thanks in part to capital raising activities sending shares lower and key milestones doing the opposite. One of its lead products is Suvia that treats moderate to severe acute pain. The treatment has been the center of attention after becoming the target of several deals last year. Where does AcceleRx stand now? This week, they reported on its 2020 achievements. If you're watching the company right now, some of these are important to take into account. In September, the U.S. Army awarded AcceleRx a contract of up to $3.6 million over 4 years for the purchase of Suvia to support a Department of Defense study to aid the development of clinical practice guidelines. Also last month, AcceleRx announced the publication of clinical data in an article in the Journal of Universal Surgery. It reported that perioperative dosing of Suvia provided more rapid PACU recovery times compared to standard IV opioid administration. In light of just these few milestone events, it starts to form up the reasoning behind Ladenburg Thalmann's current rating. Based on the target, Ladenburg's ACRX forecast sits 265% higher than current trading levels. The big question now is, will ACRX manage to reach that price target? According to TipRanks, AcceleRx Pharmaceuticals has an average price target of $7 with a high of going up to $9, and they have a strong buy rating currently. If we look at the stock chart right now, you can see that the price went up to around $1.95 in September, and it went down and then up again above the 50-day moving average, and then it went up to around $1.52 before it went down to $1.45, and it's been consolidating around this area before it went down again below the 50-day moving average. And then on January 11, it skyrocketed to around $2.15 before some profits were taken, and it went down to around $1.90. And then right now it went back up again to $2.08. The RSI strength shows this is at 71, while the stochastics shows that this is at 64, which is pretty high. It might be overbought at these levels, but we would have to wait and see if we can get another pullback down before it goes back up to those target levels that these analysts are saying. So guys, I just want to give you a few closing thoughts to those putting together a list of penny stocks to watch right now. Understand that price always plays a role. It's the reason why people look for penny stocks in the first place. But also consider different trends in the market. Like for example, Biolase, for instance, experienced a huge move in a very short time frame. More times than not, after such parabolic moves, one might assume that there could be people and investors taking some profits off the table before the stock runs back up. While this isn't always the case, it would be prudent to have some idea in mind of where and when to take something off the table and have a strategy in place. Nothing moves up in a straight line forever. Also, as the saying goes, no one ever goes broke by taking profits. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and let me know your thoughts. What do you think about these stocks? And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.